y'all, so right now I'm gonna assemble my jump rope so I can go warm up my body to get a little bit of energy. So yeah, hopefully this doesn't take too long, but yeah, I need that energy. So let's take out all these stuff. So the two handles, the rope itself, and I don't know what this is. Oh, this thing, hold on, and two batteries. So yeah, let's see how fast we can get this done, because yeah. So first thing first, I need one of these, I don't know what you call them, there's no name there, but what are they, something, you know, like a something them where you pull, like you can tighten or whatever with it. I don't know what it is. So you need one of them here, and you need the rope. Okay. Oh, it's okay then. It's really long. It is really long. Look at this. Anyways, first step, I'm gonna push this through this. Why everything I drop? Like, I really need energy. Why everything I drop? Anyways, I push this through. So you have to squeeze it, pretty sure. Yeah, see? Yeah, pull it through. And then you need the handle. But they didn't even tell you which one. Or it doesn't even matter. Anyways, you need the handle. So you put it through like this. Hold on, am I doing it right? Yeah. Okay, yeah. And then when you do that, you put back the rope through here. Also, yeah. And then when you do that now, you put back this through this, basically. Okay, I see you. And then after that, oh, you put this at the end. They have this little thingy right here. I'm gonna show you guys this at the end. Oh my god. Oh wow, that wasn't bad. Oh, I guess I can 30 centimeters. Okay, so there are measurements on the thing to make it even, I guess. So I'm gonna leave it right here, I guess. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it right there. And then, or this doesn't look right. Anyways, I guess you repeat the same steps. You repeat the same steps for the other side. So we go through with this, and then the handle. Oh my god. And then you put it back through here. How much was this again? Hold on. Wait. This was at 15 centimeters. So this is gonna be a hassle, man. Oh, you know what? Let me just fix it. And then you put this thing at the end. So what is this thing for? Like, I didn't see anything about that. Hold on. Why is this taking so long? Okay, so apparently I'm done. I don't get it. Can you all see? It says I'm done. But anyways, where do I put the batteries? I don't know. Oh. Right here, you put the batteries at the bottom. Okay. And oh my god. It didn't come on. What's going on? Battery installations. That's why you follow instructions. Okay? Follow instructions. Okay. So like that. But I put it in just like that. Let's see if I was wrong all this time, because what? It's not coming on. It's not coming on. Let me see. Came on. Okay, I see you. Okay, so there's this app that you have to download. Right here. So I'm just trying to see if I can do that right now. And yeah, we get started. Okay, give me a second. It's the Renpho Health, so that's what you look for. Okay, so I'm getting it. Let's see what the app looks like. So it's just downloading now, so yeah. Let's give it a few seconds. I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, so the app is downloaded, and this is it. It's asking if I want to sign up or forgot password. Obviously, I'm new, so I'm gonna sign up. And let's see. So you have to put in your email address, create a password. That's what I'm gonna do. And then create a password. Let me see. What the hell? Okay, I did just that. They sent a verification code to my email address, so I have to check that. Okay, you get the verification code and you just put it in. Okay, so this is it basically. This is what it's looking like. You put in your name, your gender, your birthday, your height, your weight, and yeah. So I'm gonna fix that. So they're asking the devices you currently own, and then you just select whichever thing you own. So they have body fat scale / weight scale, tape measure, nutrition scale, smart jump rope, smart treadmill, blood pressure monitor, and I have the smart jump rope, so I select that. And then next question, your current goal is, and they have weight loss, reduced body fat, shaping, diet. So you select which one applies to you. Next question. Your amount of exercise is sedentary, like little or no exercise. Little exercise, which is light exercise 1 to 3 days a week. Moderate exercise 3 to 5 days a week, and high volume exercise 6 to 7 days a week. I'll say that D, sorry, because I do a lot of writing, so yeah. Okay, you can add a device if you'd like. See, add device like that, and then you select device, right? And then where health is at, right there, you have body fat scale, tape measure, nutrition scale, blood pressure monitor. And that's not what I have, so I just go down here to fitness and I see the smart treadmill or the smart jump rope, and I select that. Okay, so it says make sure the jump rope is nearby your smart device. Reset the Bluetooth on your phone. Please ensure the LCD screen is on. Rotate the jump rope. The LCD screen should now be bright. And press the button of the jump rope to brighten the LCD light. So I have to reset my Bluetooth. So I'm gonna turn it on and do that. Okay, so it's found. Successfully connected. And yeah, this is it. I guess because I moved this around so much. So yeah, this is it. So now I'm gonna go jump and get some energy, okay? So yeah, come along with me. Okay, so before I go, you can set your goals and everything for the week, so that's good. And the jump rope, it has like your height and the recommended rope length. But what I did, I adjusted mine with my gut feeling, and it is pretty good because this is normally the length that I would use, and if I really do use a really long rope, I'd normally do this. But the good thing is you can adjust it. So yeah. So guys, I did 90 jumps just now. Maybe you guys aren't seeing properly. Oh my god, I turned it off. But yeah, I did 90 jumps just now, and it's pretty awesome. So yeah, okay, yeah, it came back just now. 90. Y'all can see the 90? Yeah. So when I pressed it, it gave me that, and then pressed it back and yeah, it came back. So yeah, I did 90 jumps just now. I'm aiming for 1,000 jumps. Like yeah, I'm aiming for 1,000 jumps. So I'll see you guys whenever I'm done with that, and I'll let you know how I feel. Okay guys, I think I overdid it. I'm not gonna lie. Woo! I am tired. Everything I dropped down. Oh my god. I think I overdid it. So I did. Let me show you guys. Whew, I am tired. I am sweating, and that's good. And now I feel like I have a good amount of energy. So I did 1,359 jumps, and all I burned 711 calories. For a person that haven't jumped in like months, that was a lot. I should have did 500, but you know, you have to prove yourself right. So I did 1,359. Was that the amount? Yeah, 1,359. So that's good. My sweat is burning my eye. Oh my god. But anyways, I'm gonna go cool off, take a shower, and go get my kid from school. So yeah, that was good. That was a good little workout, and I had to have my music with me because I would be so bored in there, and that kind of helped me to, you know, go harder. Not gonna lie, the first 200, no, the first 300, I was like, damn, but I did it. We did it. But yeah, I'm gonna go get TT from school, and then I don't know what's up from there, but I'll definitely see you guys. No.